All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're installing a cluster in the Q50 today. So this is the upgraded cluster. This is a 15 Q50. So I don't have digital dash or none of that stuff. But we got one that does have digital dash. We're gonna take this dirty ass screen off. We're gonna figure out how to get this off, and I'm gonna walk you through it. Hopefully we do it the right way, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. You can buy one of these on eBay. I bought mine for like 70 bucks. And again, if you're gonna buy one of these, make sure it's close to the mileage on your car, because if it's not, you will have to get it programmed. I just bought one with 23k miles. I have 80 on the dash, as you can see. But fuck it, we're not even gonna get it programmed. We're gonna ride around with 23k on the dash. Right now, we're just waiting on my boy to get here. Retro, he's gonna clutch up with the install, because I haven't done it, but he did it on his Q. Look right here, he's on coils, but he had to raise because New York City, just scrape everywhere. So there you go. I got my boy Retro on the job. You're gonna need flathead, screwdriver, and then one of these pry tools right here.
Yeah, you see? You got it off there. You see? This tool has a button.
You want to turn the car off first?
Yeah, you have to, bro. Because you're gonna have to disconnect that.
What? Should I disconnect the battery too?
No,
you don't have to. No?
Perfect. This is like manual, right?
Yeah. Alright, so I already have my bottom thing off. So
yeah, that helps a lot. Alright, so you see there's a clip right here. We're gonna disconnect this right here. This has, you see, little clip right there.
That's for the push to start.
And then this one has another clip. So right here. It's on the side. You see?
Boom.
That's it.
The goat.
So now this should just come off too. Unless you, let me see, do you have it bolted down? No, you don't have it bolted down. Yeah, this should pop out. There we go. Perfect. Now there's another clip right here. So you see in the little thing?
Yeah.
This shit fucking piece of shit infinity. They do all these little bypasses, bro. Seen you already. There we go.
There you go.
All right. Now what's still holding it down? Let me see. Nothing.
Off now.
Now that's it. We're basically done.
Oh,
there's only
shit.
boom, boom, and it comes out, my boy. And then three more of these under there. Swap it out, and we're good money, bro.
There you go.
Now this is the hardest part, because when I did it, I let these things fall under. You don't want to do that. So you see, there's one right there and one right there. Just be very careful to not let that shit. Here goes nothing. Put my hand under it. I want this shit to fall. Alrighty. Alright, it's loose. Oh, this is magnetic. Even better, boy.
Oh, that's good, right?
Yep. Even better, bro. My shit wasn't, bro. I had some bullshit I was using, bro. So look, after this one, I'll pull the whole unit out. Watch. See?
There you go. Right out.
Now this should have, clip right here. So all these clips, they're fairly easy, bro. Just push down, pop out. Same shit right here. Push down. Pop out.
Boom. And it's out.
And that's the swap for y'all. Literally. In and out, bro. Plug and play. Easy as real easy, bro.
Alright.
Alright,
So install.
So we do basically
Same thing.
process. Same thing, bro.
Reverse.
Even easier, because they're just all. So, alright, so 2. Always remember, it's 2 at the end. Then it should be 3 more. Alright, those 2 is good. So now this goes back, right?
Sir.
So now that this goes back, it's just all about lining it up. So now that you lined it up, you see how it clicks in?
Yeah.
We get. Oh no, we can't start.
Oh yeah.
I was about to be like, yeah. I'm gonna just screw it down anyways, bro. So let's not forget. The screw goes in there. Bro, this shit helps so much, bro, that you got a fucking magnetic shit, bro. Bro, my fucking screw nigga, I had to do a 30-minute look for that shit, bro. Shit's dumb, bro. And I think I'm even missing a screw on one of mine, bro. My shit shakes, bro. Nah, this is wild, bro. See, you motivated me to do this shit again, bro. Because now that you got it, and I'm about to see, oh my God, I'm about to see the end result. I'm gonna see this shit, and it's gonna be nice, bro. I already know. This, you gotta screw it good in. Oh yeah, that's solid. I'm not going nowhere. Alright. So let's work in reverse now. We have what? This right here. Perfect. That's one. That's for your trip reset. And then the last two is right here. One of them goes right here. Boom. And then this one right here. Look. That's simple. Y'all see that? 1, 2, and 3. So 3, and behind this is 2, and then 2 screws, and then you clip this shit right back in.
Yep.
You know, Infinity's real cheap. There's some Kia boy shit. That's it. We're done, bro. Take that steering wheel, put it back in place, and let's start the car. Let me see.
There you go.
Obviously, it's not gonna show, but as soon as you drive, bro, that's it. You're literally done, bro.
That was like
it was that easy, bro. That shit was so easy.
little 10-minute job.
Yo,
Got 38K miles on the dash now. Are we done? We're done. I'm gonna take a drive and then.
Look, it says the 0 miles per hour. My shit don't show that. Look.